With such a bright future for the MCU, there's a lot we can expect in the next few years. One thing I am personally excited to hear is that Christopher Nolan may end up directing a future MCU movie. While there is no information as to what movie he may end up directing, or even if he really is, but it has been reported that an insider has seen him meeting up with Disney and Marvel higher-ups. Christopher Nolan changed the face of superhero movies with the Dark Knight trilogy. And although Iron Man kicked off the MCU, Christopher Nolan definitely set the stage for the future of comic book movies. On top of this, it is my opinion that Christopher Nolan is one of the best directors and filmmakers out there. And if anyone is up to the task of making an interesting and complex Marvel movie, Christopher Nolan is your guy. And it's likely that he won't be helping with any of the announced projects, but will come back for Phase 5. And I think that if he directs any Marvel movie, it will be an Avengers movie, because of all the complex twists and turns that you need to make to bring so many characters together, that the way his brain works will be the only way to get so many more characters from so many possible multiverses together into one movie. On top of this, we will get many standard things that we get from a Christopher Nolan movie that will kind of be new to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. One of the biggest things I'd be interested to see how he does is the practical effects. Nolan is the king of using practical effects over computer-generated effects. After all, he crashed a large plane in Tenet and many smaller planes in Dunkirk. While this is still just a rumor, what do you think of Christopher Nolan entering into the MCU? And what project do you think he could take over, or what project would you like to see him take over? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and then please like this video, subscribe to The Marvelous Wave to assemble and join our team, and have a great day.